So I've got a different type of DIY video for you guys today. This week is my wife's birthday, which also happens to be our 2-year wedding anniversary, so I'm gonna try to surprise her by making a cake for her. The thing is, I don't cook, like, at all. So this is gonna be interesting, but I figure if I can put coilovers on a car, this can't be too hard to figure out. I got her this strawberry one. It's called Strawberry Super Moist. I wanna just make that clear. It's not just moist, it is super moist. So we're gonna try making this thing. We can get through this, let's do it. Like any proper DIY, start by gathering your tools and supplies. Step 1 is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. We need 1 cup of water, a half cup of oil. Be sure you're using a BMW LL01 approved vegetable oil with the correct viscosity, and 3 eggs. Pour all of the ingredients into a large bowl. Use a twin scroll drill to combine the ingredients together. We'll lubricate the bottom of the pans with an anti-seize compound so the cake doesn't stick. Slowly pour an equal amount of batter into each pan. Place both pans in the oven. They need to cook for 25 minutes. And now we wait. Check the cake with a toothpick. When you pull out, the tip should be clean. Take them out of the oven and allow them to cool. Alright, there they are. They're pretty much cooled off now. So according to my father, I need to cut the hat off of one of them. That way when I stack them up, they'll stack better or something. That's what he told me to do. So we're gonna do that and then we'll finish it off with the frosting.
You are watching a master at work.
So apparently frosting a cake isn't my forte. Maybe that little butter knife wasn't the right tool, but I tried my best. Well, it's not pretty, but we tried. We gave it our best shot. There it is. We have super moist strawberry cake with cream cheese frosting. Alright, well that's going to wrap up this DIY, and just give me a thumbs up even if you found this like mildly entertaining. I know it's like not my normal content. I usually make car stuff, but I needed to get this cake done today for Katie's birthday, and I thought I'd just get the camera out and fool around a little bit. So I appreciate you watching this long. Tonight I'm taking Katie on a date. We found like this retro movie theater, and tonight they're playing Jurassic Park, like the original, which is like her all-time favorite movie. So I'm going to take her to see that, and then when we get home she'll see this beautiful cake that I tried to make today. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Where are we going?
To see Jurassic Park. Mr. Buice?
Yes?
What did you buy me that's waiting for me at home?
You'll see. You have to wait and find out. And
no.
Don't look at those files on that camera because I was filming it all day.
All day? You did have my car for the day. Is it something for the car?
No.
Is it dinosaur related?
No. You'll find out later.
Do you take back calling me a bad noodle?
Katie.
Maybe I'm looking at the footage right now.
No, you're not. We're gonna go watch Katie's favorite movie of all time, so we'll cut this off here and then I'll fast forward to when I show her her surprise.
What is it? Did you bake me a cake?
Uh-huh, for your birthday.
Thank you. What flavor is it?
Are you proud of me?
I am. Actually, in my kitchen's all in one piece.
Uh-huh. I even cleaned the kitchen after.
Wow. Thank you. That's the first time you've ever baked anything for me.
I know.
Thank you, baby.
Well, don't thank me until you try it.